Looking for a safe, comfortable way to keep your baby warm without the hassle of loose blankets? Hudson Baby's 100% cotton muslin sleep sack offers just that. Designed with your infant's safety and comfort in mind, this wearable blanket replaces loose bedding, reducing risks while providing breathable warmth. It's the kind of product that makes bedtime simpler and more secure for both you and your baby. What sets this sleep sack apart is its thoughtful design and premium materials. Made from super soft, breathable muslin cotton, it keeps your baby cozy without overheating. The 2 layers of cotton create just the right amount of warmth for cooler nights, yet the fabric still lets your baby's skin breathe. Plus, the zipper closure starting at the collar and running down the front makes dressing and diaper changes a breeze. No more struggling with wriggly little ones in the middle of the night. One happy mom shared her experience. She found the sleep sack adorable and perfectly weighted, not too thick to cause overheating, but warm enough for summer nights with air conditioning. It fits generously, allowing free leg movement and growing room, so your baby can wear it longer without feeling swamped by fabric. She appreciated how easy it was to wash and how it softened nicely after the first wash, making it even more comfortable. This mom's story highlights exactly why this sleep sack is worth considering if you want a reliable, high-quality option for your infant's sleep routine. If you're tired of bulky blankets and unsafe bedding, this sleep sack offers a practical solution. It's affordable without sacrificing quality, crafted to meet the needs of newborns through their early months. Whether you're dressing your baby for a chilly night or just want peace of mind knowing they're secure, Hudson Baby's muslin sleep sack delivers on comfort and safety. Worth a look if you want a simple, effective way to improve your baby's sleep environment. Ready to give your baby a safer, more comfortable night's sleep? Try Hudson Baby's 100% cotton muslin sleep sack when you're ready. It's easy to care for, gentle on delicate skin, and designed to keep your little one cozy without overheating. Make bedtime less stressful and more restful, for you and your baby.